In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a formula to an entire column in Google Sheets without dragging. This simple and efficient method will help you save time and make your spreadsheet tasks much more manageable. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Google Sheet. If you don't have one ready, you can easily create a new one by heading over to Google Sheets and starting with a blank spreadsheet. Once you have your sheet open, identify the cell where you'd like your formula to begin. Click on this cell to select it, which ensures you're targeting the right spot for your formula. Now, in this example, we're going to input a basic formula. Type in the formula you're planning on using. For demonstration purposes, let's type =B4 plus C4, where B4 and C4 represent the cells you want to add together. Make sure to adjust the cell references to fit your context. Once you have entered your formula, hit the Enter key. This execution will calculate the formula for that single cell you've selected. Next, you'll want to extend this formula to the other cells in the column. To do so, click on the cell where you just entered your formula and highlight the range of cells in the same column where you want your formula to apply. For larger datasets, you can click on the top cell and drag down to the last cell you need to fill. This creates a selection showing the span of cells where your formula will automatically populate. Here's where the magic happens. With those cells selected, press the Ctrl key and the letter D at the same time. This command automatically fills the selected cells with the formula you initially typed, applying it exactly as intended without the need to drag the formula manually down the column. This method not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of errors that might occur when dragging formulas, especially in larger spreadsheets where it's easy to lose track of where you started or finished. Additionally, if you need to make adjustments to your formula, modifying it in the first cell and repeating the process can apply your changes across the entire column almost instantaneously. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to apply a formula to an entire column in Google Sheets without the need for dragging. Hopefully, this tip helps streamline your workflow and enhances your productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.